Good day and welcome in the Bard's Cave of Treasure. For I am checking the dividends for January year 2020. What is that year? 26 in trading 212. This is my primary strategy. So let's see who gave some books during January. We have MFA finances. I will check the first ones. MFA. All right, I have 135. This strategy is I spent maximum 250 bucks to one company with good dividend. Actually, to many companies with good dividend, and I try to get back 250 until they die. So it may need 10 years to do that, or 5 years, or 12, until the company is existing and they are still giving the dividend. It should be fine. If they terminate the dividend, I remove them on all losses that I have, because, well, this is a strategy, and spend what is left on others. Okay, so for now, I have two strategies. The 550 slice one book and the dividend strategy. So, Chimera Investments. Scheme. Who are these dudes? 86 15. It may not be on 1 month. Right? Some companies, they give every month, other gives by 3 months, 6 months, and by year. Now, there is the Oxford Lane. But these days, they are falling big time. Oxford Lane. Let's check them. Very, very not good. But they are still over 10. 10 should be some psychology level. And if they give, actually, the Oxford Lane, they give dividend every month. It can be checked here, upcoming events, February, March. If they give 4 books every month, I'll keep them. All right. The Oxford Square, they give a little less, but I have less invested there. The Gladstone, they have nested 75 cents, 71. Anali Capital nested 2.6 bucks. Anali. 200, and yes, they are half my strategy. I still can spend 100 bucks here, but I want when they are in downtrend. If I have, for now I don't have anything. I'm poor. Everything have been invested. Okay, Capital Southwest. Looks like I'm building them. I'm not checking the over above one. The Orchard, 2 bucks. Or there they are. They are almost on their maximum. Okay, but they are fine. January, they gave payment then. Okay, they gave January. They will give February, which means they are monthly giving. General Dudes, the armor nested 1.5. Okay, 1.5. If this is every month, yes, it's every, because it will give February too. For February, I will check at the end of the month. 16%. And that was for the 29th. Now, 28th. Labrador, Adam Trust, Bank of Nova Scotia. Hooray for Bank of Nova Scotia. I don't have a lot there, but I'm slicing them. Soon I can slice them and take the $1. I play banks. B and G Foods. They nested, but they are in very bad shape. Shape. B. How should I type this? There. Oh, they are not in that bad shape. I could buy them. They give good dividend. They are on minuses though. You have to be careful. Okay, January, Cisco gave January. Pennymac Mortgage Investment Trust, $0.50. American Eagle Outfit. They nest. These are from the 5-50 strategy. Invesco. Invesco. A lot of Invescos. There we go. Okay. Almost half with 3. They are giving on 3 months. On 3 months, they are giving exactly what they should. All right. Saratoga. The Saratoga have potential, according to me. Okay, Cisco and Cisco are different things. They all gave. Prospect Capital gave 1.7, but they are in bad shape too. Good time to buy. Prospect. Yes. Oh no. I'm at maximum there. Can't buy. We wait. We wait for the only for the dividend until they do it. Okay, the global net lease, they are good. Dudes, they are on plus. Beautiful. Still giving dividend. Maybe they go when they go up, they will remove the dividend. Hewlett Packard nested. Innovative Industry nested. January 15. Stack Industries. CMB, the Realty, very traded company. The Apollo Commercial nested $2. Apollo. Oh, they are on plus. Beautiful. I love dividend companies be on plus, but I'm okay they be on minuses. All right, algorithmic power utilities. 44. What I have on them? Alg. $30. Okay, I play them on the slicing strategy. Actually, I can remove something here if I need. Kering gave something. What that? Breadcrumbs. Walt Disney. Oh, Walt Disney. Slicing them. The stills, almost $1. Stills. Only one. They give every month, yes. 12%. Looks right. Okay, 14th January. The Gestamp Automation. Philip Morris nested. The AGN, another of my favorites. Dinix nested, another of my favorite. Illinois Tools Works nested. Franklin Resources gave 8 cents. The Altria nested almost $0.50. All right. Ambev, 16 cents. Salesforce, CLB, Medical Properties. Canadian Natural Resources. Pepsi, my favorite Pepsi. Let's celebrate. Actually, I'm slicing Pepsi, but I slice them to 200 because I love them. I use them. Maybe they will not perish soon. We hope. Okay, the Gold Entertainment. Walmart, Kimberly-Clark nested 21 cents. Pennant Park 8. Okay, I'm slicing this, but they also give some puny cents. And we go to December. That was the dividends for January 2026. Hooray, and until new meetings eventually.